Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day 9. Well, I look slightly death-like because I am on my way to get a facial. I'm really excited. I haven't gotten a facial in 4 months, and for me that's kind of a long time because I used to get a facial every month and treat myself to a facial. So I am going. My friend Stormy opened up her own spa and it is super cute, so I'm excited to go there for the first time. I've got my face mask. I'm getting my hair done in a couple weeks too, so I'm really excited about that because I've been noticing every time I put it up in a bun, it is like so dark. It's like blonde right here and like so dark right here. So I cannot wait to get my hair done too. But yeah, that is the plan for today. It is very cold. It's like 20 degrees and my windows are extremely frosted, as you can see. So I have to wait a little bit and get my car heated up. And I'm actually gonna stop and get some flowers for Stormy to congratulate her. And I'm gonna get baby detergent so I can wash the baby clothes today and start organizing and putting them in the dresser. I'm so over the moon with that dresser. I got it from Target. I got the knobs from Amazon and I'm just obsessed with how it looks, especially at nighttime with the Christmas tree. I'm like literally obsessed. It makes me so happy. So that is the plan for this morning. I am going to get a facial, so I'll take you guys with me. Walking in. How cute. Hey, Stormy. It's so cute in here.
Oh, thank you.
These are for you.
Thanks. You're so sweet.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Is it fine if I vlog in here?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the cutest. It looks even cuter in person.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells delightful in here too. Lalicious, my favorite. I am back home from my facial. It was delightful. And now I want to show you guys just a couple things that I picked up. I picked up this from the spa. This is Lalicious Sugar Peppermint. This is a scrub and it smells so good. Lalicious is my favorite for body scrubs and I did not have a full size. So it's like super like gritty and it makes your whole body smell so good. So I picked up this and then I picked up this little duo. So it comes with a sugar coconut hydrating body butter and then the scrub. And this one smells really good too. I've smelled this one before. So yeah, that's what I got. And then I also got baby laundry detergent because I'm gonna wash those clothes today and start organizing and putting them in these. So I just did some dishes. The baby's clothes are in the laundry and now I just want to pick up and clean and organize everything else because it's a little bit cluttered in here. And then I still have to put all of Michaela and Lindsay's gifts in a gift bag. And this is just a whole nother disaster. The mirror is not going to stay there. It's going to go in the bedroom, but I have to clean all of that and this. And then we still have this big box here. So I'm just going to declutter and clean up a little bit and wait for the clothes. Okay, I haven't shown much of my face today because I got a facial and I feel like it's a little bit red in certain areas. So I didn't want to film my face, and also my hair looks real like greasy, but it's fine. Everything's fine. I just washed the baby's clothes and I separated it into newborn 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 12. And I'm so glad I did this early on because I need a lot more clothes, I feel. So let me show you what I did. I just sent Scott, I ordered us Not Your Average Joe's. So I'm gonna have, what did I get? I got a Caesar salad and I got a chicken and shrimp rice bowl and I'm really excited about it. But let me show you. So little baby section. This drawer is gonna be like oh my god, I can't even speak, burp cloths and little socks and little teethers. We have a couple of these and I'm gonna put binkies. I definitely need like separators or like those fabric little storage bins. And then I'm gonna put like diaper cream, I think, in here. And then I'm gonna put this one full of diapers. And then up here, so this pile right here is the newborn pile. So I have this super cute outfit. Me and Scott picked this out for our baby before we even knew it was a boy. I just liked the color blue. So we got that. And then a subscriber made this, so cute. This says 3 to 6 months, but you can kind of just tell by looking at it that this is gonna fit a newborn. So I put it in the newborn pile. We have this for a newborn. We have that one, that gray, this one, and then the Starbucks one. I love that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now I have 7 outfits for a newborn, and you just never know the size of your baby, you know? It could be in newborn clothes for over a month, it could be in newborn clothes for a week, or it might not even fit in newborn clothes. So you really just don't know, but I still think I should probably get a couple more just to be safe. I have a ton, these go over here. I have a ton of 0 to 3 months clothes. So I have my most for 0 to 3 months, so that's good. This doesn't say it, but I just assumed this looks like a good size for like 3 to 6, and I only have one of them, so I really don't have 3 to 6 size at all. And then this is 6 to 12, so kind of lacking in the 3 to 6. In the 6 to 12, which I'm not super worried about that big of items, I'm more concerned with like newborn and like 3 to 6. Like this baby doesn't have any summer clothes right now, so I definitely need to get some more like t-shirt type onesies, because a lot of warm like cozy winter clothes, but if the baby's due in March, it's gonna get warm fast. So right now I'm just gonna roll up some clothes, see how it looks in there. I decided I'm not going to put the fuzzy onesie things in here because those take up a lot of room. So I'm gonna hang those up. I'm just gonna put the smaller items in the drawers. So I'm gonna do that. So I just put the 0 to 3 months clothes in this drawer, and I definitely need a better way to organize and put the clothes in here because right now it's only holding 12 items. I know I can stack it, but what would you guys recommend? Little bins, rolling them up differently, because I've never really folded baby clothes, so I didn't really know what to do, and I just feel like way more should fit in here, you know? I know it's like pretty deep, so I could probably do a whole nother layer. I just want like a better way to organize that. So yeah, but that's what it's looking like. Real cutesy clothes. This baby's gonna be styling. And I have to just put these away now, or these. But like I said, there's not that much of these, the bigger sizes. And then I have some swaddles right here, so I want to wrap these up that I washed, and then I'm like out of breath. This one's a super cute outfit, but it needs to dry, so I'm just leaving it out a little bit. Kate Quinn is literally the best for baby clothes, I feel. It's like super, super soft. I am just loving the way it looks in here when it gets a little bit darker. I just feel like it's so cozy. I know I showed you guys a picture of this last night on my Instagram stories of like the wallpaper with the tree on the other side, but I just think it's so cute. I still need to like declutter like certain areas in here. Erica and I eventually do want to get like an office space so we can hold like our clothes there and ship things out, because it is hard working in a smaller space. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it just makes me so happy how cozy it is. And I cannot wait for that little baby. So exciting. I cannot believe there's less than 3 months left. But I think I'm going to end my vlog now. I know it's short, and I'm so sorry, but I feel like I blinked and this day went by so fast. So I'm going to have to end it now. I'm burning, this is literally one of my favorite candles now. The peppermint sugar cookie. I wish I got more of these because this smells so good. So I'm just burning this, waiting for Scott, here with Puff. We just got the food, and mine doesn't look that appetizing, but it smells really good. It is chicken and shrimp over vegetables. It smells quite yummy, but I thought it was supposed to be over rice. I don't see any unless it's like really deep down in there. And then I got a Caesar salad. So, with some ranch. My sweets.
Ranch.
Did I?
Caesar,
oh, no.
Caesar dressing.
I think I was thinking of, I don't freaking know, if we were going to order from the other place. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so Caesar salad, and then this, and I'll just show you a quick glimpse, a little glimpse of Scott's,
It's
because
the same as mine. Neither of them looks great because we got it.
yours looks like death on a plate.
Looks like a cow plopped a turret right on.
That does not look good, babe. You're gonna eat that?
I'm sure it's good.
I'm sure yeah, it's probably good. It just doesn't look
it's
good.
Beef short ribs.
It looks like an eyeball on the side right there.
It's an onion.
Ew. Okay, I'm just not into that, but hopefully this is yummy, and then we're gonna watch the challenge tonight, because we watched that whole season last time, whatever.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna watch it again and eat this. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 9, and I will see you all tomorrow.